Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you on how to test geometric sequence from a given formula. Okay, so we have to bear in mind in geometric sequence, it must have R. Okay, R is a common ratio, and the common ratio must be is a non-zero constant. So this is the condition that we have to follow. We have to obey. Okay, so what is the given formula to us is Tn equals n power n. Okay, so from here we have to generate another term Tn minus 1. Okay, Tn minus 1. Okay, so we have to change whatever n inside here into a bracket. So n down here I change into big bracket over there. The power n over there also I change into a power of empty bracket over there. And then we substitute them into this one. So just copy n minus 1, the modified one inside here, and also n minus 1. So that is the Tn minus 1. Okay, so what to do now? Okay, what to do now? Easy. We write the formula here. Where is okay, good. So the formula of R is Tn over Tn minus 1. Or you can use Tn plus 1 over Tn. But in this example, I'm going to use the first formula. You can use the one that I just erased. No problem. But for that one, you have to find Tn plus 1 lah. The one that I didn't find in this example. Yeah. Okay, so what is Tn? What is Tn? Tn is this one. Tn is this one. Okay, so it's n power n. The equal sign I never write. Okay. Okay, then what is Tn minus 1? Tn minus 1 is the one that we just get over here lah. What is that? It's n minus 1 to the power n minus 1. Okay, now, okay, so this one looks dangerous. Looks dangerous because there are so many bracket. But that's fine. We try our best. Okay, so I think we can change the power minus 1 into n power n over n minus 1, okay, over n minus 1. This one power n. Okay, so this one we can put them on top, I guess. Okay, we can simplify, but nothing much. It doesn't do nothing much. Yeah, nothing much. You simplify also cannot do much. Okay, that's fine. So we know lah. Okay, what is the answer? Okay, there's not much we can do for to simplify this. Okay, because over here the n also power of n. Okay, it doesn't change lah. Okay, we cannot simplify. Okay, so we have this. We have this expression, and we know that by having different n, it will result different value of r. So it doesn't obey the condition of geometric sequence over here, which is it must be a non-zero constant. So this big expression is not non-zero constant. Even it's not a constant. Okay, so we can simplify it. R is not a non-zero constant. Okay, therefore it is not a geometric sequence. Just now I try my best to simplify, but cannot. You potong-potong, but there's no much you can do lah. If you can potong anyways, you cannot get rid of this n power of n, I think. So that's fine. So the first example, it's not a geometric sequence. Okay, let's go to the second one. Okay, we have Tn. I write it bigger for you. Okay, bracket n plus 1 squared over 2. Okay, so how to find the Tn minus 1? Okay, easy. So bracket 2, bracket power 2, n. I change the n into empty bracket and then plus 1. Okay, and then replace it with n minus 1. Then over here we can simplify lah. N minus 1 plus 1 leave us with n, and then the square outside just put over 2. Okay, so that is what we get lah. Okay, now what? And then we can replace these two terms inside the formula of R. R equals Tn over Tn minus 1. Now what Tn is? Tn is this one. Okay, n plus 1 squared over 2. Okay, and then divide. Okay, what is Tn minus 1? Is this one. And squared over 2. Okay, so maybe we simplify. Okay, so this is a division sign. We can turn it into multiplication. Okay, by turning this one upside down. So we get n plus 1 squared over 2 multiply 2 over n squared. Okay, so what we have here is n plus 1 square. The 2 cancel already. N squared. Okay, this one you expand pun, you get n squared plus 2n plus 1 over n squared. There's nothing much you cannot do anything. You potong this one wrong lah, cannot potong. Okay, so no need, don't bother lah to simplify pun. Okay, so over here also you get the R in terms of n. So the value of R will change when the n is changing. Okay, so it is not a non-zero constant. Okay, so for this one you can copy paste. Okay, so we can conclude R is not a non-zero constant. Yeah, therefore it is not a geometric sequence. Okay, now next the next one. Okay, the next one, okay, is Tn equals 4 multiply 3 to the power of 1 minus n. I think this one I'm going to simplify it lah. It's 4 multiply 3 power 1 divides 3 power n. Okay, so it means it's 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 over 3 power n. So simplify like this, looks easier lah for me. And then we are going to generate Tn minus 1. Okay, so what I'm going to do is 12 over 3 power of empty bracket. And then I replace the content of empty bracket with n minus 1. Like that. And then this 12 over 3n. Excuse me. And then minus 1 is the division of 3 power of 1. And this division can be put on top. So it becomes 12 multiplied by 3 over 3n. 36 lah. 36 over 3n. Okay, so we got our 3n minus 1, 3 pula. And then substitute inside the formula of R. So over here is Tn. What is our Tn? Tn is this one, 12 over 3n. Okay, and then what is Tn minus 1 down here? It's this one, 36 over 3 power n. Okay, now you see so many fractions. Don't worry, we can change this black one into division symbol. Okay, so rewrite back 12 over 3n. Okay, divide over 3n. Divide this one I change it into this. So this one at the back is 36 over 3n. Like that. And then this division sign can turn into multiplication with a condition: the back fraction must be upside down. So 3n over 36. And then this one 12 over 3n lah. Over here, from here we know lah, 3n here, 3n over there can cancel. 12 and 36 also can cancel, but the cancellation is division by 12. So 12 divide 12 is 1. 36 divides 12 is 30. So what we get is 1 over 3. This R is at last a non-zero constant. Non-zero constant. So when it is a non-zero constant, what we can conclude, tak muat. Okay, I do it over here lah. Since R is a non-zero constant, okay, therefore it is a geometric sequence. When it is a geometric sequence, we can find the first term and the common ratio. No need lah, common ratio got already over there, just rewrite. Okay, so what T1, we can get T1 from Tn and replace it by 1. So 4 equals 4 multiply 3, 1 minus 1. Okay, so 3, 1 minus 1, 3 power 0. 3 power 0 is 1, so 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. Okay, 4. And then the R is just 1 over 3 that we got from previous. Okay, so that's all. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.